Okay, welcome to This and That. Thanks for watching. So today we are changing this here motorcycle tire. So I always change my own tires. I've just always done it, you know. It's just like I want it done right and I just want to do it. You know, saves you a lot of money too. A lot of people just don't have the patience or, you know, don't want to do this kind of job. But I change a back one every year at least. It seems like this one's even earlier. But yeah, so we're going to get into it. So anyways, so to start, we got it jacked up and supported. So if you got a motorcycle jack or if you make your own, strap it down. Just be real careful. Make sure it's centered, you know. And so once you get that good, first step, at least on the Sportster, is we're gonna pull this off. So we get a 13 mil. We're taking that, and then one bolt right there. So let me pull that off real quick. Okay, so to get at the T45 up here, we're gonna pull the saddlebags. So got two 13s. Gonna pull that. Okay, we got it pulled. Got a T45 and an extension. Just gonna pop this off. It was pretty dry. Be good to lube them up. Oh, there we go. Looks like she's almost there. There we go. This is the brakes. Get this bad boy. We're gonna just put. Right, actually, we'll put this out. Can just rest it right there. Brakes are all good. So once you pull this nut off, you can pull that off. So if you come over here, we get this little clip. Bend that cotter pin. So we're gonna put the big boy. Let's see. Yeah, I like it like that. We'll put it. So we got 15/16 on the breaker bar. what's moving it. There we go. Question is that spinning? Perfect. Pull that. You don't want to not put those back. So unhook this belt. Actually, we're going to pull this brake piece. Can't. You know what, we're just gonna get her off the belt. Rotate like that.